Hola, hello, welcome back to the garage where Bryce Box is home. So today, I'm going to be removing my trans mount. We're going to be putting this poly mount on, and I'm going to have to be custom drilling some holes or whatnot, so hopefully everything goes really well. I've got to center everything, so everything is nice. I'm going to jack the car up. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, where it broke at, and I never even realized it. It's been like that since I first ever got the car, which has been like 2 years. I'm going to fix it, finally. I've been trying to track down the problem for the longest time. Hopefully this is the issue, and whenever I take the car for a drive, it doesn't make those obnoxious noises like it has been, and I could casually drive in 4th gear at a low RPM. Probably gonna be hard to see, but kind of like above the jack where it's at. If I pry on this, the whole transmission literally moves. See if I can get closer. So I can move the whole transmission, so it moves up and down and vibrates, hits things. So I'm gonna struggle removing this real quick. Okay, so I got the holes drilled. Looks fairly okay, I guess. It might be a little bit off to the right here, but it'll still work out fine. That's why these holes on this plate go back and forth, so we should be okay. So, now the plan is to get it in the car. Alright guys, so Austin downloaded the TRC app and we're going to play with it a little bit. I actually found out that my speedometer isn't exactly what I think it is. So when I'm doing 105, I'm actually doing like 100 and what was it, 115 or 110 or something?
110, yeah.
So I think I'm going a lot faster than my speedometer actually tells me I am. So, well, if you do a quarter, we'll only do an eighth.
Well, yeah, you'd get both, probably.
Half-mile run. Oh shit, fuck that, man. I don't know how fast I'd be going there. Good?
Yeah, you're ready to launch whenever.
Oh, it did work. How fast was that though?
11.4?
It said 11.
Yeah.
But it started late, didn't it?
I don't know if it started late, but you let up anyway, so.
Listen, if that was 11.4.
They're 1.960. Your 8th mile was 7.5 at 95.
You know how scary that is? If that thing is like actually legitimately like point on.
Oh,
right?
sorry, it was your quarter was 11.2 at 118.
Does that sound right?